Anger pops up in every family, and we want to avoid the dark clouds of contempt, reproach, judgment, and even interpretation, and start on the path to empathy. To do that, we pull out the emotion scroller, which has the sensations, emotions, and needs that give us clarity to know what's going on with this anger, and make a powerful sentence like this: I feel blank with blank and need blank. For example, you can scroll through already on hot. I feel hot with maybe resentment. Now we're getting clear on what type of anger is in us, or the other person could help express that, and need acceptance, or maybe something else, maybe quietness, maybe comfort. Getting comfort when in our anger, in our difficult time, can be so soothing. This gives you clarity for you and with people we care about. So remember, we want to avoid contempt, reproach, judgment, and even interpretation, and get to empathy. And to get there, it is so powerful if we can make a sentence like this: I feel blank with blank and need blank. And hopefully the person we care about can make that sentence too for them. And then we can reach empathy together and get both of our needs met, and let these wonderful emotions guide us, protect us, and help us like they are meant to do so. So enjoy your scrolling, getting clarity to help your wonderful emotions guide you so that your needs get met and the needs of the ones you care about. To spread more empathy, you're welcome to support our Indiegogo campaign and get EmoScroll, this web app that's an emotion scroller, to help you and your loved ones in your family on your path to empathy. There's a link below, instructions in the comments, and I will see you there.